Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Shibinhood token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Hood does in a cat word, a sleeping giant with 4 steady paws working the rooftops after dark. He takes it off the wheels and drops it in the bag on the way down. He was a spectre before the found his form. Nobody has claimed him and nobody can. Not completely. What there is instead is the hood, 4 sturdy paws and a city he prowls night and day. Shibinhood project institution rating is 3.6. Shibinhood token total supply is 1 trillion and circulating supply is also 1 trillion Shibinhood token. Shibinhood token is listed on MEXC, L-Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.